In this video, what I'm going to show you is how you can get Facebook page likes for 0.003 of a dollar. That's basically a third of a cent that you are paying for each page like. And this exact strategy has helped me build my page to 202,000 likes. Thanks to having this many likes, I'm able to get an enormous post reach every time I post something. And what you see on here is you see me basically going live pretty much all the time on Facebook, filming myself on video, and as a result of having so many page fans, I can sell with this page and I can also broadcast myself with this page as if it were my own YouTube channel. You know, here I've got a YouTube video where I've encouraged people to subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video here, I was just Pokemon going outside of my house with my son, and this got an enormous amount of reach as a result of having this many page fans. So having this many page fans, 202,000, really gives you the opportunity to broadcast yourself to hundreds of thousands of people and potentially millions of people if the video is shared. So how do we get these page likes for 0.003 of a dollar? I'm going to show you exactly how, and the proof that I am doing it is right here. As you can see, my likes campaign is at 0.003 per like, and I've only spent $15 getting nearly 5,000 page likes. $15 for 5,000 genuine, real people liking my page. No fake likes, no bots, these are real people. So how do we do it? Well, what you do is you go to this tab at the top and you go to Create Advert. So this is Facebook's new interface. So what we want to pick is engagement. This is the type of ad that we want. So we'll pick engagement, and what we want is to optimize our ad for page likes. So once you click that, you just go to continue. And then you select the Facebook page. Now I've got tons and tons of Facebook pages. So you just select the Facebook page that you want to direct your Facebook likes to. Okay, we'll get rid of this. So we are going to start an audience from scratch, okay? So we just go to create new. We don't use a saved audience, just go to create new. And then what we do is, and this is the simple part, this is the brilliant part. Okay, what we do is we just put worldwide. That is the location. What we want to do is we want to exclude California, and the reason why is because it's a very expensive state to advertise to. So we'll exclude California, but we will go worldwide, which gives us a potential reach of 904 million people. That's a humongous bank of people by which we can get likes from. So now that we've got the location, we want to select the age. Now we're going to go 13 to 24. We're going to leave it as men and women. And we are going to change the language to English, or we're going to at least make it appear in front of people who speak English language, because the ad image is going to be in English. So if they don't understand it, it will ruin the effectiveness straight away. So we'll get rid of any pre-populated interests in here. And what we're going to do is we are going to put love in here. Okay, so now we've got love, that's all we need. And we want to exclude people who already like your page. So you go into here and you put exclude people who like your page, because you're wasting money trying to get likes from people who already like you. So we'll forget that. Now edit placements. The placements is where does your advert show. So you can make an advert show on Instagram, you can make it appear in the newsfeed, you can make it appear in the right hand column of your normal Facebook feed. Now what we want to do is we want to make it appear in front of as many people as possible. And very rarely do you actually look at the ads on the top right corner or the bottom right. So what we're going to do is we are going to go into platforms and we are going to untick the right column. So it only really appears in the feeds. Okay, so now that we've done that, we have chosen the placement that's going to get us the best return. Now, this is the even better bit. We aren't going to spend a lot of money. We are just going to spend $5, okay? And we just want the advert to run continuously. The bid amount, let Facebook set the bid that helps you get the most page likes at the best price. Yes. If you manually say, I want 0.001 or 0.005, then you are prohibiting your ability to get the best possible price, because it will just get cheaper and cheaper the more engagement your like campaign gets. So we've got all of this done. Now what we need to do, now that we've got potential reach down to 161 million, click continue. And then what we want to do is we want to use a single image, okay? Now, I've already got it in my library, which is basically this image here that says, I love you. So we are going to use that and delete this. And this will show you what your ad looks like. And that is perfectly cropped, okay? So how do you find this image? What you need to do is you need to go to Google and you need to put I love you image. And then go to images. And then basically search through all of these. Now this was the one that I used, but you can use whichever one you think will be appealing to your audience. Now you'll probably think, I don't want I love you to show on my Facebook page. That's corny, you know, that's silly. Well, let me tell you something, okay? Any change to the advert I'm showing you will dramatically change the results. So you're not likely to get the same result. You could get better, but you're more likely to get worse through not following the same type of advert. So you've got to be using a very, very similar image, if not the image itself. So you click it, you save it, and then you upload it to your image library, okay, which you just do simply through single image and then add more images. Okay, so now we've got our image. What we need to do is we need to change the wording on the actual ad, the text. So what we want to put is like to spread the love, question mark. Like to spread the love, question mark. And the reason we put a question mark is because we don't want to tell people to do it. We want to give them almost the control of making the decision to press like. So we put the love. So it's a bit passive aggressive rather than just assertive aggressive. So now that we've got that, we can now place the order. So just to let you know, this is what you want to see when you're creating the ad. This image right here. You want to see all of this from below my avatar to above what your page name is. So this is what you need to see. And if you've got that and you've selected worldwide, then what you do is you place the order and then the ad is done. Now what it will say is that, you know, your order has been placed, you'll receive a notification whilst your adverts have been reviewed, and then they'll tell you whether it's been approved or disapproved for whatever reason. And you just put continue, and then that's it. And then you go back to your adverts manager. Like I said, this particular campaign, which is a repeatable model, is only at 0.003 of a dollar per like. And then what you want to do is you want to let that ad just continue to run until you are happy. So like you can see here, 202,000 likes. I could let this ad continue on forever. So basically, $300 at 0.003 of a dollar per page like, $300 would pay for 100,000 page likes. If I paid $3,000, I'd have 1 million page likes. If I paid 9,000, I'd have 3 million page likes. Basically, how many likes do you want? How many likes do you think gives you the social proof, the credibility within your marketplace? When people go to your Facebook page, they think, yes, that's a good amount, I'm going to like that page too. It's unlikely people are going to like your Facebook page that's got 5 likes, unless they're a family member or something. Unless it's got some social proof, people aren't going to feel compelled to hit that like button. People like to follow others. So basically, if you've got 202,000 people, a person that is going to make the decision to like your page is more likely to make it if other people have followed. It's a bit like going to your local high street or walking down the town centre and you see that there's a particular shop that's got crowds of people inside and you think, what's all the commotion about? Why are people going in there? I have to see it. It's the same with Facebook pages. The popularity is what encourages people to go to your page, to subscribe to your page, to follow you, to watch your videos, to see your posts. That's how Facebook works. And actually there are some people who pay you for advertising on your page. So it's a really good thing to have a big page like I have with 202,000 likes.